Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious dairy milk milkshake, step by step. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need about 1 cup of cold dairy milk, 2 generous cups of your favorite ice cream, and any flavorings you desire. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened. This helps achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Having all your ingredients ready makes the blending process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get to blending. Pour your 1 cup of cold dairy milk into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Next, add your 2 cups of slightly softened ice cream. Start blending on a low speed to break down the ice cream, then gradually increase to a medium-high setting. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is perfectly smooth and has that delightful, thick consistency we all love. This is where you make your milkshake truly yours. Once the base is smooth, it's time to add your flavorings. You might include 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, a half cup of fresh berries, or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you're adding chunkier mix-ins, like crushed cookies or candy pieces, blend them in during the last 10 seconds. This ensures they are incorporated but still retain some texture, adding a delightful bite to your creamy treat. Your delicious homemade milkshake is now ready. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately, so grab a straw and savor every single sip of your perfectly blended, customized dairy milk treat. Cheers to your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.